Hello everyone, today I'm going to review the OpenRun bone conduction headphones by SHOKZ. I use these mainly for biking and I found them very useful and very comfortable to wear. The reason I use them for biking is because I still had to listen up for any noises or any incoming traffic to avoid accidents. So here I'm just going to open it up so you can see what's inside. So here are the headphones inside. We'll just take them out. So they are very flexible and very comfortable. So I'm just going to show you here how to put them on. And as you can see, there is a bit of slack at the back here, which makes it very comfortable to wear, so it's not pulling against you. And they do sit fine with my glasses on, and also when I'm wearing my helmet, it was absolutely fine. So to switch them on, the power button is easy to find, and it's right here underneath. So you press and hold. So I just switched them on by pressing that button. And I got greeted by a lady's voice telling me some information about the battery and that the headphones are switched on. As well, next to the power there's the volume button up and down, and on the left side is the pause and skip buttons. So I'm going to show you where the buttons are. So as you can see, with your right hand you'll be able to power it on and you'll be able to change the volume. With the left hand you'll be able to pause, skip and go back to the previous song. Also, if you haven't had any bone conductive headphones before, you'll notice that there is no holes in here for the speaker. It's all sealed and it's perfect for swimmers or for running, so the sweat doesn't get in there. What I also found useful is that the earphones, because they're bone conductive, they don't sit inside your ear canal, so you don't end up with wax on them and you don't have to clean them as often. And also I'm just going to show you the charging port. So the charging port consists of 2 pins, and this is the charging cable, and it sits there with a magnet. The end of the charging port is just a normal USB-A. So also in the box you'll find a carrying bag, the charging cable, a warranty card for 2 years and some instructions in here. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to do a quick test just to see what the headphones sound like. This is not to show you what the sound quality is like, this is basically something instead of nothing. So I'm just going to switch them on with the power button here, so you should hear the assistant's voice.
Welcome to SHOKZ, battery high, connected.
Now I'm just going to play a song, just to give you an idea again. So just gonna give you my opinion. I used them for a few weeks and I played lots of genre of music. I listened to pretty much everything. The highs were nice, the mids are nice, you could hear the singer, you could hear the voice. The bass was there, it's not too bassy, don't expect room shaking bass. But it's existent, it's not flat, it's not there at all. And overall it was great sound, it kept me entertained, and as I said before, because they're not in your ear canal, you can still hear the surrounding and enjoy your walk, ride, run or swim or whatever you're doing. Okay, here we came to the end of the video. I'll put the link to the OpenRun on my description. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you liked it, please press the like button, subscribe to see more of these videos, and I'll see you in another one. Bye!